Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll tell you guys how to fix not eligible for TikTok account problem. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, because we post videos like this in our channel. So to get notified for our future videos, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So the main reason if you're not eligible for a TikTok account or for creating a TikTok account may be because if you're underage, because in some countries you need to be above 13 years old to create TikTok account, and in some it's above 16 years old. So basically if you're above 16, then you can create TikTok account. So yeah, it's different for different country, but if you're above 16, then you can be able to create TikTok account wherever you want. And if it still shows you're not eligible for a TikTok account, you can just delete TikTok app from your phone and then reinstall it, or you can just do this: close TikTok, go to settings, and on setting go to app management, and on app management find TikTok and click on TikTok. Go to storage usage and then click on clear data and then click clear. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna clear all the data of TikTok, and it's basically like reinstalling TikTok. So once you do that, you should be able to create an account. And yeah, so that's how you fix not eligible for TikTok account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.